I've been asked a lot if real estate investment is still a good way to create wealth. Short answer is yes. I feel like I'm always saying yes, but when it comes to real estate, as long as you're investing over time, not looking to do a quick flip, you're always going to have that future proof investment return. And so it is still on trend. It is still a way forward. If you've got the resources, this is a really great way to capitalize and create wealth for your retirement. So if you have any questions, I'd be happy to guide you through a process. Reach out.
More.